What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Drew, aka Lambo Andy, back with another video. I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking this one out. Make sure you stick around by hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss anything that I'm putting out. Because if you don't subscribe, I'm coming for you. And you don't want me coming for you. It's Big Papa Pump over here. No, I'm just kidding. Today, we're going to be looking at a COLD WALL and Converse collaboration, a boot they did called the Geo Forma. Now, there aren't a lot of reviews of this boot right now on YouTube, so there's like a handful of them out right now, so I hope you guys appreciate this review. Hope you guys like it. If you don't, make sure you tell me down below. If you do, make sure you tell me down below. Now, a COLD WALL, for those who don't know, is a London-based streetwear brand. They blend a lot of industrial textiles, a lot of unconventional tailoring. They are very fashion forward in their designs and in their clothes. And we all know Chuck Taylor, the classic silhouette of the Chuck Taylor, but we also know that Chuck Taylor and Converse, they do a lot of collaborations with a lot of different brands that really changes and evolves the look of that classic Chuck Taylor shoe. Now, this shoe came out in two different colorways. It came out in Volt, which is a neon green, and Lily White, which is pretty much just a white color. You guys already know I had to get that Volt color. I had to get that loud colorway. If you guys know anything about me, it's I love colors. I love crazy colors, as you can see. So I had to get that construction vest green shoe. I just had to have it. Now, this shoe does come in a pretty big box. The box is pretty large. The boots are pretty large, so the box is pretty big as well. As you can see, you got the Converse, a COLD WALL insignia on the box. Now, Converse did say on their website to go a half size down than what you normally would get. So I did go a half size down. I normally get 11. I went with 10.5. Here they are. They are fairly heavy. They're fairly heavy shoes. Let's take a look at these. Starting from the bottom, the sole is very solid rubber. It is, you can ply it a little bit, you can push on it, but it is solid. It is very heavy. If you wanted to club someone in the head with this, it would hurt. Very solid rubber down here. It's got the COLD WALL ACW right there on the shoe, you can see. Now, you can see in this black, there's actually white speckles. Looks like a little bit of red. Some blue. You can't really see unless you get up close, but that's all speckled throughout this whole outer sole. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Now, moving on up. Now, this rubber does cover all of this toe cap. It goes all the way up here. This is a boot. This material is like waterproof material, kind of a soft, like a water vest, a life vest. If you've ever been like jet skiing or something, like the vest you put on is that type of material. You got the ACW insignia, a COLD WALL right there. On the outside of the shoe, moving around to the back, you also got the ACW and CNVS, which is the Converse. And then on the inside of the shoe is where you got the CNVS, the Converse. So they got both of the brands that are part of the collaboration on here. You also have the Chuck Taylor star right there that you can see. You also have a bunch of COLD WALL branding on the back. You also have another branding right here, ACW CNVS UF 058. So another little branding right there. But overall, this shoe does have a lot of, you know, logos, branding, insignia, whatever you want to call it, across the shoe. On the zipper as well, you got ACW. Now, there are no laces on this shoe. This shoe is just zipper. So Inside, you got counter climate, which is this type of material here, like a waterproof type thing. But again, just a zipper, no laces. Yeah, so there you go. This shoe is not going to be for everybody. This shoe is going to be a shoe if you have the right type of clothes, if you have the right type of look, you could pull something like this off. This is not going to be an everyday wear. I mean, this is also going to give you a couple inches. Like, this is going to give you a good 2 or 3 inches to your height. So keep that in mind as well. The white one might be a little more inconspicuous, but honestly, the reason I got this shoe is so it can stand out. I want this shoe to be the focal point, you know, when I wear it. I want people to look at the shoe. So again, I like loud shoes. I like crazy shoes. Some of them are back there displayed. You can see. I might give a review of some of those at some point, but I'm a big fan of boots, bigger shoes, crazier shoes, crazy colorways. So I do like this shoe. Alright guys, that's going to do it. I appreciate you guys watching this video, sticking around to the end. Make sure you do like, comment, subscribe. It truly does help me out. Until next time, deuces!
Bitch, I'm gon' snap, yeah, bitch, I'm gon' slap, yeah, bitch, I'm gon' snap, yeah, bitch, I'm gon' slap, yeah, bitch, I'm gon' snap, yeah, bitch, I'm gon' slap, yeah, bitch, I'm gon' snap, yeah, bitch, I'm gon' slap. Yeah, boys they wanna be me, hoes they wanna feed me, pussy water feed you, creamy fettuccine, boy they wanna